So this has been a really fabulous way for me a natural way to help with my headaches. So I use the ridged edge again along here. And this is kind of where I do my trigger point release. So I like to do this with my eyes closed, and I just run along the ridge until I can feel the trigger point and the tension. And then just really gently massage your way through it. And you may not be as tense and tight in here as me. So this is something I've experienced since my last car accident. So you're going to find that you may have different tense areas on your face that are different than me. So just really gently kind of working my way through it. You can already even see just after that one that there's already a little bit of a lift in the eyebrow. So this can be, sometimes I like to do this. I don't go out as much as I used to anymore. So this can be a nice ritual that I incorporate before going out for the evening. It gives me a little temporary facelift, and it's just really relaxing. And it's nice to incorporate that self-care ritual time into my day. But what a difference. You can already see how it's really opening up my eye area there and lifting my brow up. So I'll do one more there. But so you can see what a difference that made. I was actually doing a demo in store yesterday, and I just did the one brow, and I had someone taking a photo of me for my social media, and you can actually see in the photo that it was just the one eye was really lifted from where I did it. So it really does work. So next, then I like to do my forehead and upwards. And so when I do this, I use this part, and I want to do it just below the ridge of my brow. Now, I don't want to stretch the skin over my eye, so I'm just going to hold that down and just very gently pull that over the ridge of the brow. And then so the gua sha is fairly flat against the face, and then just gently go up until you hit the hairline there. So let's repeat that. So you can see how this eye is this was my kind of eye that's a little bit droopier to start with. So it's really made a big difference already.